Not yet!
Alright guys, we are super excited to be here today outside the Braille House with a very special course, specifically inspired by Mario Kart. I am here, it's a me, Mario, and with Luigi. And then, to be announced, Deadpool. And Sharkman. Alright, take us through the course. We're doing time trials. The only rule is there are no rules, except for lay out all the rules.
All right, so this is obviously the start.
Okay.
Cups are filled with ice. If you hit them, we will know. They're probably melted now, so it's gonna explode if you hit a cup.
What happens if you hit a cup?
So what happens?
If you hit a cup, -5 seconds.
Okay, so the time goes less and you get a better time. I like it.
Oh, add 5 seconds, however you want to do it.
Okay.
All right, so you run through here, you stay in here.
What if you're not so good at driving the car?
Well, then you're gonna have to figure it out real quick.
Oh,
dude, this course is made for me.
So you come up to the first orange coin.
Coin?
Cone, which is a pivot point. So you literally come around the cone, pivot.
Is this where you have to pull the thingy up?
Yeah, if you want. You could go slow if you want.
Pull the thingy up.
This is the first obstacle. You start here. We made it very easy, so it's very self-explanatory. You hit it time.
Uzi, please pay everyone paying attention.
Uzi mainly.
If you mess up, you're losing.
This for you.
No, I see the arrows. You go.
How many times?
Once, right there.
Okay. So you enter here, you go around it one time, bam. One time around. Once you
Wait,
exit.
oh.
Now here, hit that around.
One time.
You exit out this way.
One time.
You start the figure 8. All right. You do the figure 8 2 times. You have to hit the star 3 times technically, because that's the start point.
Okay, hold up.
So this is the start 1. So you go around.
I'm dizzy already.
And then, bam, this is gonna be your second one.
2.
Right?
Yeah, I'm out.
And then obviously you come around again, and you hit the star 3 times.
3.
You're out. And
boom.
Go that way.
Exit after 2.
Yep. Pivot around here, and then you're gonna bullet this way.
And not hit those cups?
Yep, through the cones.
Dude, that is...
Through the cups. Come through here, pull the lever, hit a 360. Right there.
No, the 360 is because you hit a banana.
Yeah, that's a banana slip. All right, bam. Yeah. Then you haul it full speed. 720. Boom.
I hate you.
Boom. This way.
I get dizzy.
Yep, I know. After you 720, come out. You gotta go through this underneath the bridge. If you hit either side or this filled with water and ice, it spills on you.
Is that water good?
Kind of like that.
Yeah, I've been eating it and drinking it.
Oh, man.
And after that, you come through there, victory, sprint it out, bam, into the Braille House. Yay! Time stops when you cross the line.
It's time trials, best time wins. Let's go.
What does the winner get?
The winner gets the pride accomplishment of winning. And $100?
I mean, can I just get my run out of the way so I can film for the rest of the video?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think that's fair.
Put on your costume.
Okay.
Can I go second?
Yeah.
No.
You nervous?
You nervous,
Think
guys?
you're gonna win? Did you win the last one?
No, I gave it to Nigel.
Okay.
Wait, what? In 3, 2.
Wait.
Yeah, that's not it. It goes like this. Beep.
Oh, you want that?
Beep.
All right.
Beep.
All right. Here we go. Cloud coming down. Boop. Boop. Boop.
sorry, Dan!
You're a menace. I think you're good. Hit the tire.
You scuffed his tire! No! That's it, he needs a new bike. He needs a new bike.
I'm so sorry, dude.
You did almost knock it over.
He did. He did. That's true.
I'm so sorry, Dan. I feel so bad.
How did you end up from there?
From there to over here. Look at it. It goes.
Dude, I tried to whip it and then it just went.
Dang, don't waste the battery.
Use the battery!
You got 11460, but you hit one thing of ice, so it's 11960.
I'm sorry, Dan.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Oh wait! It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
There you go. What? How are you so good at this? I hit the car and you connected. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
360! Oh! Steve! 720 at the star, Dan! Oh, yeah! Oh! Wow! Expert!
10170.
No cups?
That's so funny.
No cups.
You guys think you're good. Just wait till my turn. I'm gonna show you what good is.
I'm not gonna do good at all. I haven't been practicing on these at all.
Who else is going? I should probably go last.
No.
Just trust me. Beep, beep, beep,
I'm not even pulling the handle. It's pointless.
Oh, body! No!
Fast, and you miss him.
57-27.
But then that's
Plus
4
20.
cups. 4 cups.
That's all good. Yeah, I wouldn't put
Wait,
your
just
phone
real fast. Just put your phone. Yeah, put that away, just so
Suck
you're
it.
safe. Now, hold it like that and lift up and just gas it as hard as you can. Really?
Yep.
Wait, hold
Lift
tight.
up right now.
You gotta kind of like.
And then gas it. Full.
Now you know how to do the 720. You're welcome.
That's what you need to do that.
I'm about to get so many cups. They're gonna be so pissed at me.
Oh, Aaron, you got it?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
He's off to a slow start.
Oh boy.
One more time. Here's the 360. $720! Yeah! Duck low! Yeah! Oh!
I saw him coming in hot, and I was like, he's going.
Dude, that was sick!
You crushed it. 101.89.
Plus
Huh?
10 seconds.
Oh, plus 10 seconds.
So 111.
111.89.
That's really good still.
Yeah.
He crushed it.
That was really
I'm
funny.
just gonna point out that was his first time on a crazy
That
car.
was great.
Everybody else had lots of practice.
Yep.
Except for me and him. I've had some practice.
Dan, tell me how much that light is, and
It's not even a light, it's just a reflector.
I'll replace it for you.
I don't even know how it comes up. I don't know how you went from there to there.
I don't know.
I literally saw it go up and I was like, no!
Yeah, as long as if it tips over, it would...
I reached back to like catch it too.
Gabe, if you wouldn't
No.
Probably
like-
should move it though.
No.
My run's gonna get a little wild. I'm just
Just stay near it.
Nelson, Nelson, Nelson! Beep! 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 Beep!
Oh wait, just one.
Just one. Slow down. One more time.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh dude, this is terrible! Oh damn! You okay?
Yeah, keep going.
My bad. Alright. Alright, alright. Alright, here we go.
Nelson, go!
That was the best run.
Ever! The worst! That was the worst run! Oh man.
Counting the every cup that he hit, which added a bonus 65 seconds.
240.08. 240.08.
What, how many points are added for hitting my shin?
Oh, we
100.
forgot that one.
Camera hit my face, like right here. Well, we were like fighting.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
My mouth hurts from laughing.
I'm gonna let Troy go first because I know Aaron is gonna purposely mow down every single cup in this course.
not, dude! I'm here for the race!
We'll see.
Alright, here we go.
No, I'm not mad. I think it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to see it. That's why I want you to go last.
I love his costume though.
Yeah.
It never looked so good.
Oh, hey, what? I should probably get extra points for that one. Oh, chill.
Let's go very slow, Troy. Very slow. Gradual.
All right.
You got this. Okay, but you can. Okay, here you go. Around that one. There you go. Very slow. Take your time. Take your time.
All right.
All right. Around again. You're good.
No matter what at this point, you're better than no.
You're killing. All right. Around one more time.
One more.
Right here. And then straight this way.
And then straight
This way. Right here. Go. Don't hit the cup. There you go, Troy.
Oh yeah.
Now do a 360. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, now do a 720. Okay, you're good. Go, 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 go. Don't hit that.
It's all wet, game. It's all wet.
Duck down, Troy. Yeah, that was awesome.
Good job, Troy. 114-14.
Yeah? Nice. Yes.
Told you were gonna kill it, Troy.
Thank you for getting me out there, Gabe.
I knew you were gonna kill
Oh,
it.
you hit
You got me out there.
one cup.
one cup.
119-14.
Hey, how many did I hit?
We lost count.
You got plus
Notifications
you got
on.
plus 65.
You beat Gabe.
You still beat me.
Look at that.
Oh, what?
All right, notification squad, leave it in the comments below. How many cups did Aaron Cairo hit on his run? Leave it in the comments below. We'll shoot you guys a special prize package. Don't worry.
All right, Aaron.
I mean, I love this video. It's really cool, but I never heard a race before where people, the announcers specifically, are like, slow and steady, take your time. This is NASCAR, baby. Oh, that's what he is? He's a cloud.
Whoa!
What's happening?
Not yet! Right here! Yeah! Oh boy!
Watch out for the back. Would you like to know your pre-cup total?
My butt is so cold. It's never been so cold.
Before the cup penalties, we're at 130.46.
But I was going faster than y'all.
Yeah, okay. You're spinning faster.
Let it be known.
Including his cup bonus was 4 minutes. 4 minutes point 46.
That's a new record.
That's a new record.
Minus 5 minutes for the most fun. Let us know what you guys want to see next. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We will help you. It's very fun. Go check it out.